सर्वप्रथम नवीन वर्षाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. त्यानंतर आपण 10वीचे विद्यार्थिनी लाईफ प्रोसेसिंग लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम हा थर्ड चॅप्टरबद्दल थोडंसं डिस्कस करणार आहे. त्याच्यावरचे जे क्वेश्चन आहे ते मी आज तुम्हाला विचारतो. त्यामध्ये रिप्रोडक्शन सांगा, डिफिनेशन.
The formation of new organism of same species by earlier organism is called as reproduction. The formation of new organism of same species by earlier organism is called as reproduction. The process creation of living organism of same kind helps to maintain the continuity of same species of that organism is called as the reproduction.
Asexual reproduction, unicellular.
Binary fission, multiple fission, and budding in yeast. There are 3 types.
ओके, असेक्झुअल रिप्रोडक्शन सांगू स्टार्टिंगला. असेक्झुअल रिप्रोडक्शन्स.
The formation of new organism of same species without involving of gametes is called as asexual reproduction.
ओके. असेक्झुअल रिप्रोडक्शन तू सांग.
The reproduction that occurs with the help of male gamete without the gametes formation of zygote is called as asexual reproduction.
ओके. देयर आर टाइप्स ऑफ.
There are 2 types of asexual reproduction as unicellular organism and multicellular organism.
ओके. युनिसेल्युलर ऑर्गॅनिझममध्ये कोणते कोणते?
Multiple fission, binary fission, budding in yeast,
बरं, बायनरी फिजन सांग.
amoeba, paramecium, euglena, etc.
ओके सांग. त्यानंतर पॉईंट सांग त्याचे. बायनर हा सांग तू सांग.
Amoeba, paramecium, euglena, and etc. are eukaryotic cells organs like mitochondria and chromophores perform the asexual reproduction by binary fission. The parent cells divide to form 2 similar daughter cells. Binary fissions occurs either by mitotic or amitotic.
ओके. मल्टिपल फिजन सांगा.
Multiple fission insists it become rounded and from protecting around the converging around the plasma membrane and inside amoeba or any other protist is called as the cyst. Many nuclei are found by nuclear repeated division. Only nucleus divided initially followed by the division of cytoplasm. Then repeated nucleus division that takes place many nuclei.
ठीक. बडिंग इन ईस्ट सांगा.
Budding in yeast is a asexual reproduction process in which one out of the growth are formed in the
ओके. तू सांग बडिंग इन ईस्ट.
budding in yeast is a sexual reproductive process in which a small bug appears on the surface on the parent cell as seen in yeast is called as the budding in yeast.
तू सांग.
Budding in yeast is the asexual reproductive process in which an
स्मॉल बर्ड.
small bud as seen unicellular organism
ओके.
is called as budding in yeast.
मग फ्रॅगमेंटेशन सांगा.
Fragmentation is the asexual type of reproduction in which body of parent organism breaks up into many fragments and each fragment can start living independently.
टोटल किती टाईप्स आहे असेक्झुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन मल्टीसेल्युलर ऑर्गॅनिझमचे? 5. त्यातला पहिला फ्रॅगमेंटेशन झाला. बरं, रिजनरेशन सांग.
Under certain situation, an animal planaria breaks up into many planaria. Each planaria are independently. This is called regeneration.
त्यानंतर कोणता आहे अजून? बडिंग इन हायड्रा. ओके. बडिंग इन हायड्रा सांगा.
Budding in hydra is a sexual reproductive process in which an outgrowth is formed by repeated nuclear division of regenerative cells of body wall is called as the bud.
ओके. पॉईंट सांग त्याचे एखादून.
Repetitive division of regenerative cells or body walls is called as bud.
ओके. व्हिजिटेटिव्ह प्रोपगेशन सांग.
Reproduction in plant like root, stem, leaf and bud is called as vegetative propagation.
ओके. त्यानंतर स्पोर फॉर्मेशन तर कॅन्सल झालेलं आहे. ठीक आहे. बरं, सेक्झुअल रिप्रोडक्शनचे डेफिनेशन सांग.
The reproduction that occurs both of male and female gametes is called as the sexual reproduction.
ओके. गॅमेट फॉर्मेशन सांग.
Gamete formation by meiosis the gametes are formed. The diploid germ cell give rise to haploid gametes.
ओके. तू सांग ना. सांग गॅमेट फॉर्मेशन सांग.
By meiosis the gamete for male and female gamete haploid
ओके.
is called
ठीक आहे.
as
हां,
gamete
तू सांग फर्टिलायझेशन.
The union of zygote, sperm and ovum are formed in the union of sperm and ovum are formed in the
ओके. sexual reproduction in plants. त्याबद्दल सांगू शकतं का? सांग.
Androcium and Gynoecium are called the essential horus because they are perform function of reproduction. Calyx and corolla are called the accessory horus because they are responsible for protection of inner horn. A flower is called as the bisexual if both of Androcium and Gynoecium are present on same flower. A flower is called as the unisexual if both of any of two horus present on the same flower. If only Androcium of male flower and Gynoecium of female flower are present on same flower. Example, papaya. The androcium of male flower and its membranes are called as the semen. The gynoecium of female horus and its membranes are called as the carpels. The ovary is present at the basal end of each carpels. A hollow style come up from the ovaries. Stigma is present at the tip of style, and the ovary contains one or many ovules. Embryosacc is formed in each ovule by meiosis. Embryosacc is consist of a haploid egg cell and two haploid polar nuclei. A pollen grain transfer to anther to the stigma is called as the pollination.
ओके. सेक्झुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन प्लांट्स तू सांग.
Androcium and Gynoecium are called the essential world because they are the responsible for the protection of the inner world. Calyx and corolla are called the accessory world because they are the responsible for the protection of the inner world. A flower is called a bisexual. A flower is called a bisexual if Androcium and Gynoecium are present in the flower. A flower is called a unisexual if any one of the two are present in the flower. If Androcium is the main word and its membranes are called as the stamens. A Gynoecium is the female word and its membranes are called as the carpels. Stigma is present at the tip of style. Pollen gland transfer to the stigma. Pollen gland transfer to the stigma are called the pollination.
ओके. सेक्झुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन प्लांट बद्दल शुभांगी तू सांग. सेक्झुअल
Androcium and Gynoecium is called as essential one because responsible for functioning and
ओके. मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह सिस्टम बद्दल सांग की ना.
The male reproductive system of woman consists of testes, various ducts, and glands. Testes are present in a scrotum in outside the abdominal cavity. Testes contains numerous semiparous tubules. Germinal epithelium is present in tubules. By meiosis, the product are sperm. The sperm are pushed forward through the next various tubules.
ओके. ह्युमन फिमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह सिस्टम बद्दल सांग.
human female reproductive system. All the organs of female reproductive system outside the abdominal cavity. The female reproductive system. All the organs of female reproductive
हां ओके
system.
ठीक आहे. ह्युमन फिमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह सिस्टम सांगा की
All
ना.
the organ of female reproductive system are in abdominal cavity. It included a pair of ovaries, a single pair of oviduct, uterus, and vagina. Besides, a pair of bulbourethral gland is also present. Generally, every month an ovum is released an abdominal cavity alternately from each ovary. The free end of oviduct is a funnel-like and opening is present at center of it. Octi enters the oviduct and opening. Cilia are pushed from the oviduct and these cilia pushed are from towards uterus.
ओके. गॅमेट फॉर्मेशन फर्टिलायझेशन सांगा.
Fertilization of ovum by union of sperm and ovum is called as the fertilization.
ओके. मेन्स्ट्रुअल सायकल सांगा की ना.
Menstrual cycle. The female reproductive system undergoes some changes at puberty, and these repetitive changes at interval of every 28 to 30 days, and these repetitive changes are called as the menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle is a natural process, and the menstrual cycle controlled by 4 hormones. These are follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, is estrogen and progesterone. Remaining hormones tissues are from follicle to from the corpus luteum. The corpus luteum to start secrete progesterone and endometrial glands start their secretion in under the effect of progesterone. The octi is not fertilized within 24 hours. Corpus albicans bleeding. Bleeding is continuous with approximately 4 to 5 days, and this is called as the menstruation.
ओके. तू सांग कल्याणी.
Menstrual cycle
मेन्स्ट्रुअल सायकल.
undergoes the same change at the puberty of the change repeat at the interval of every 28 to 30 days, and those repeated stages are called as the menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle is the natural process.
Menstrual cycle is a natural process. Its control is 4 hormones stimulating hormone, estrogen and progesterone.
ओके. रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह अँड मॉडर्न टेक्नॉलॉजी बद्दल सांगा बरं.
Many couples cannot have children because due to the various reasons. In the case of irregularity in menstrual cycle, reproduction, difficulties in reproduction, octai, obstacle in ovidum, etc. In many other for responsible for. First, in vitro fertilization. In vitro fertilization is the technique which fertilization it brought about the female reproductive in outside the female body, and the test tube in the baby's embryo is from the IVF. The IVF is used for the octai is collected from the ovary of woman.
ओके, तू सांग.
Many couples couldn't have children due to various reasons. If the in case of the woman in irregularity in the menstrual
ओके,
cycle,
सर्वांचं सांगा. सांगा.
Such women cannot have a children because various reasons. The woman can take the help of modern ready-made technique, and this called as the surrogacy.
ओके, त्यानंतर स्पर्म बँक सांगा.
Sperm bank is the place where a semen is donated by man decide the collected there through physical and medical checkup and sterile condition, sub-zero temperature.
ओके, ट्विन सांग.
the embryos are formed in the same. The embryos are developed in the simultaneously and in the same uterus, and the two offspring are delivered in the simultaneously, and those two offspring are called as the twins. Many couples have twins. There are two main type of the twins, as monozygotic twins and dizygotic twins.
ओके, रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह हेल्थ.
Health is state of complete physical and mental social well-beingness that not merely absences of any disease is called as the health.
ओके, चला अजून काय सांगू शकता बरं कोणी?
Monozygotic twins.
सांग.
The monozygotic twins are found a single embryo, and these twins are exactly alike and different gender are same. If within 8 days and embryo zygote during a zygotic formation and two from a monozygotic twins.
ओके, अंकिता, डायझायगोटिक ट्विन सांग.
When two octai are released from the ovary of woman and both are fertilized by the separate sperm, there is a formation of the dizygotic twins are formed.
ओके, सायमन्स ट्विन सांग.
The Simon twins with the some parts of body joined to with each other are called as the Simon twins or conjoined twins.
ओके, यानंतर सेक्झुअल रिप्रोडक्शन, असेक्झुअल रिप्रोडक्शन याबद्दल दोघीजणी डिस्कस करा. ठीक आहे, तू बस. ओके, स्टार्ट.
Reproduction occurs in with the help of somatic cell is called as asexual reproduction. The reproduction occurs with the formation of a zygote is called as the sexual reproduction. For only one parent is necessary asexual reproduction. The reproductions two parents are necessary, male and female. Asexual reproduction occurs in different individuals, various multiple fission, binary fission, budding in yeast, budding in hydra, vegetative propagation, and fragmentation, regeneration, and spore formation, etc.
स्टार्ट.
Sexual reproductions occurs in two types. First, the formation of the haploid gametes by meiosis. Then the fertilization of those haploid gametes to form a diploid zygote. There are no subtype in the sexual reproduction.
ओके, थँक्यू. राहिलेला याच्यानंतर नेक्स्ट चॅप्टरचं आपण त्या ठिकाणी रेकॉर्ड करणार आहे. त्यासाठी चांगली तयारी करा. ओके.